Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be transitioning my closet into fall and also decluttering things that don't fit me or things I just don't wear or things I just don't wear. So let's get started. I just did laundry that I do have to put away still. But I got some hangers from Dollar Tree today. And then I have stuff that was hung dry, so it's already on hangers. And then stuff that I need to hang. Here I just have stuff that I also, well, not these. I have stuff right here that I also need to put in the closet. And then my husband's stuff right here also. If you want to know where anything is from, just leave me a comment down below. And I will tell you where it's from. So I'm just gonna go through it and then I'm going to get rid of things.
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing.
Got rid of two things just because I kind of go through it frequently, so I'm getting rid of these two things that I just never wore. I actually got these. I don't even think this would even fit me, so I'm getting rid of that.
Something from you. You ain't giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing.
this is what I got rid of. Shirts, just some shorts, more shorts, workout clothes, and that's pretty much it. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.